Hi, this is Jason with Preview Construction out of Dallas, Texas, and this is another siding and window quick minute. People ask me all the time, hey Jason, what dictates, whether you put the trim on the wall first and run the siding to it, or do you run the siding and put the trim on top? Either way is acceptable by James Hardie. In the manual, you'll see that they really want you to run the trim first and butt the siding up to next to the trim. In this particular situation on this home, I'm going to show you the reason why we had to run the trim on top of the siding. You can see that we're using a blue foam board versus a structural OSB. This foam board is non-structural, which means when we do our siding and trim install, it's absolutely necessary that we find the studs behind this blue foam. Since it is necessary that we locate the stud, that dictates how we run our trim and our siding around our windows. There's only about 3 inches of framing here next to this window. So if we were to run this trim first, we've used up all of our stud space, and there's nothing to nail this siding coming into the trim. Therefore, we run the siding first, and we're able to nail the siding to the stud, run the trim over the top, and then run those nails through the siding again into that same stud. This has been another siding and window quick minute. Hit the like button and follow us on YouTube. Thanks.